There's a very good chance that you have heard about the crazy price increase that Aweber just put in. Now, if you haven't heard about it, Aweber is one of the most popular autoresponders that there is online, and they just had an insane price increase, like a 500% price increase. A lot of people are talking about it. My friend Deb has put together a package of information on how to find alternatives to it, but I decided to go one better. And in my bonus package, I'm actually going to try to get a completely free autoresponder, including free hosting of the autoresponder, even free emails every single month. It's all coming up in my review of Better Than Aweber. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Better Than Aweber. This is from my friend Deb. Now, this is a crazy price, by the way, because this course is going to cost you the princely sum of $4.56 as of this recording. It is a dime sale, so it will be going up. But right now, less than $5 to get the thing. And it's going to show you everything you need to know. Very detailed course. They do have a option for PLR. Scroll down to the bottom. I believe they'll have both options available to purchase. So you can see $4.56 for the basic one, with giveaway rights, by the way. Or if you want to edit it and actually use it and claim ownership and all that kind of good stuff, $13.75, and you actually have like complete rights to do whatever you want with the thing. So either or, very good deal. But of course, this would not be a Man That review without me offering you an insane bonus. And boy, do I have a good one right now. Do you have to interrupt me every single time that I am talking about being the man in the hat? I know you're the man in the hat also, but right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. Go and forge some artwork or something. A serious thing. Let me show you my custom mode. So this one is a doozy. So first of all, I didn't just find you a free autoresponder. I actually made it completely plug and play. So what this does is you're actually going to go ahead and set up your own personal self-hosted autoresponder. What does that mean, self-hosted? That means that you actually own the software. So you're going to have it on your own server. So you do not have to spend the money to go and pay someone like Aweber and worry about the crazy price increases. You don't have to switch to somebody else and worry that they're going to start raising the prices. This is your own server where you literally own the actual thing. And not only do you own it, not only do I show you what to do, I actually made the website for you. So it's literally plug and play. Plug it in and install it, and you're done. It's ready to go for you. You don't have to do any of the work. All you have to do is go ahead and set up your hosting. Now, of course, you're probably saying to me, Eric, well, that's not bad, but I still got to pay for hosting. It's kind of crappy, right?
What a load of crap.
I just said that's kind of crappy, so please don't interrupt me, okay? Thank you. But seriously, actually, I found you free website hosting as well. You don't have to pay for hosting at all. You're going to get free website hosting. But I'm still not done yet because I wanted to make sure that this was a complete no-brainer for you. So not only did I set up the autoresponder for you, so you have the software, just plug and play and set it up. I also went and found you free hosting for the autoresponder. But I'm still not done. I also found a way for you to get a free professional email address. So when people write back to you, because for example, when you write to me at eric@manthehat.io. That's my email address. Okay, that's the email address that I personally use for corresponding with all of you. If you ever want to write to me, by the way, feel free to do so, eric@manthehat.io. I do usually respond to people, not always, but I try to as much as I can. Do get quite a few emails. But you can have your own private personal email address posted for free. Again, totally free. Don't spend a penny on it. The only thing that you need in order to make all of this work that you just spent a little bit of money on is going to be, well, two things. Number one, your autoresponder is set up, but you still have to have a way of sending out emails. Now, of course, sending out emails, so there's two separate parts to an autoresponder. You have the software that actually goes and maintains your list, sends out your emails to your list, does all that kind of stuff. And then you have a separate thing, which is called a server, which actually physically sends the emails out to people all over the web. Now you do have to spend money for that, but I also have that taken care of for you because I actually found you a professional service that lets you send up to 80,000 emails every single month, totally for free. Don't spend a penny on it, totally for free. The only thing you're going to have to spend money on, other than more than 80,000 emails, if you send more than 80,000 emails a month, God bless you if you do. Okay, I do happen to do so, but I also have a pretty big list. If you have a small list, 500 people, let's say, on your list, you're probably not going to go over the 80,000 emails per month. You're going to get this completely free. The only thing you do need is a domain name, but I've even got you covered on that. I found a domain name service. You can get a domain name for $1.88 for a year. So it's pretty much the only expense you're going to spend is $1.88 for an entire year in order to have a domain name. You're going to have the autoresponder software free, the hosting for your autoresponder free. Send out up to 80,000 emails a month free. Okay, all completely done for you. You don't have to do any of the hard work. You don't have to figure things out. You don't have to go through it all. I've already configured everything for you. It's plug and play, set it up, all done for you. Now that is truly an incredible offer, which will make you a truly successful entrepreneur.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Thank you, Barry. That's very kind of you. Not quite a billionaire entrepreneur, but let's work on getting there. That's good thinking. Anyway, but of course, I'm still not done yet because I really want this to be a no-brainer for you. So, what else do I have for you besides giving you the autoresponder, giving you everything you need in order to make it work, the whole 9 yards? Still not done. How about if I also show you? That's the question, the main name I told you about, but also show you how to train ChatGPT to write emails in the style of any copywriter you want. Okay, this is my own custom prompt for ChatGPT, which you can actually use to go ahead and create all the content for ChatGPT. So you're going to be able to actually do that with ChatGPT. But I'm still not done yet because I really want you to have a lot of value. So how about if I also give you a free gift that you can give away to your customers? Okay, this is amazing. I'm giving you my 6-Figure Coach webinar series for free, and it comes with full PLR rights. You can sell it, you can give it away, use it as your own bonus. Okay, and the nice thing about this is that this gives you a premium product that you can give away as a bonus to get people onto your list or to use as a bonus for your own products. But I'm still not done yet. I'm also going to offer you my course on a new AI found, which actually will create instant content for you and does it better than ChatGPT does. It's a really, really high quality system that I really, really love. And I'm still not done. How about one more thing? What if you're worried about your content getting flagged as AI generated? That is becoming a thing now, but you don't have to worry because I actually found another system that will go ahead and take all of your content and rewrite it so that it sounds like a human being wrote it. I tested it, it works, it's beautiful, does everything. Okay, and again, you're getting all of these with full PLR rights for the princely sum of $4.56 or $13.75 if you want the full PLR rights to the course on better than Aweber. Again, $13.75, you actually get to use this as your own. You can actually claim ownership, you can sell it, you can give it away. Otherwise, you do get the giveaway rights, even with a $4.56 offer, you do get giveaway rights for it as well. Now, let me show you the member area. There's actually a few different pieces to it. So first of all, we have here, this is the main course. I'm going to teach you all about picking an email service provider, showing you what to do, how to get it all taken care of, how to use them, how to use a way to keep yourself out of spam, that all kind of very, very good stuff. And then this thing is the cheat sheet, which I absolutely love. This thing is going to offer you so much useful information. And again, this is worth giving away as a bonus all on its own. You do get giveaway rights with this package, even at the $4.56 level, you get giveaway rights. Okay, this is really, really incredible stuff. It's going to give you everything you need to know in order to be able to really start making serious money from email marketing. And that really is where it's all about. Again, everything is $4.56 for the whole 9 yards. I'm not going to show you the whole cheat sheet, obviously, but this is the basic cheat sheet. So again, $4.56, or if you want the full PLR rights, where you can actually claim authorship, you can change the text, make it your own, use it as your own product, you can even sell it, $13.75. Or if it does give you giveaway rights, you can actually give it away. You just can't modify it at all. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, this is awesome. And for this price, it's literally a no-brainer. $4.56. You get everything here. Grab this. You're going to love it.